Alright, this is my small apple press that I made several years ago, and we are freezing vegetables, and there's a lot of water in them after they've been blanched. So today I put the lighter color stuff on there, which is a tray that is tipped forward with this little block, and the top block has a 2-inch block that's an 1/8 of an inch smaller all the way around. And what I do is I take a bag of my collards, and since that doesn't fit real well in the freezer and it's full of water, I stuff that in underneath and crank it down. I really need to set up a tripod. And the water's dripping out.
By any chance, did you look at the weather?
No. And there we have a nice square block. Here are some of the frozen veggies that came out of the press. They stack up nicely, and this one is a little loose. You can see how square the edges are, and it's loose enough on the sides that once you open it up, it just slides right out. Doesn't tear the bag. And these are some that weren't made with the press. You can see they're kind of rounded, and they don't stack very well. The base has a 3/4 inch board that's 14 inches by 12 inches, 7.5 inches by 12 inches, 8 inches by 8 inches, 7 inches by 7 inches, 4 5/8, 4 5/8, 10 inches by 5 inches, the vise is bolted here through the 2x. Just make sure that when the vise is all the way down, there's enough room for those pipes.